Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is how to cozy up to someone to supersize and grow your business. Well, our idiom today is to cozy up to someone or something, probably someone, because you want to get close or be familiar with them or to attain some favor from them. You want to create intimacy. That's what it means. It dates back to 1709. It comes from both Norwegian and Scandinavian background. I think the word was cozy liss or something in Norwegian, which I should know Norwegian because I'm about half Norwegian, but I don't. And it's from Scandinavian descent. So since the 1700s, the early 1700s, and probably before, to cozy up meant to get close to become familiar with, to get intimate with, whatever. So I think of things like kids sucking up to each other, or people sucking up to the boss, or trying to be teacher's pet. That was the first thing that popped into my mind, and I'm like, okay, interesting. And there are ways we can use this idiom, this expression, to cozy up to someone in order to do certain things that will help us to grow and build our business. Number one, business and life in general is all about relationships. So we want to be familiar with the people it's appropriate to be familiar with. We want to be friends with the people that we interact with. We want to build relationships, but we want to build them based on who we really are and on being ourselves and authentic. I don't love the word authentic, but it speaks to being you, being who you really are, being, sharing the things that you like and dislike. Sharing things with people is how you build relationships. Finding common ground is how we build relationships. When we find things that we stand together and agree on, that reinforces a relationship. When we find things that we don't agree on, that too can reinforce the relationship, as long as we are respectful to and understand that everybody gets to like and dislike different things. So first and foremost, to cozy up to someone and become familiar, we want to build relationships in our business. We want to build relationships with the people we interact with. We want to build relationships with our vendors and suppliers. We want to build relationships with the people that we serve, our customers. We want to build relationships even with the competition. Why? Because sometimes our competition does something for our customers that we don't, and we want to understand and know that. We don't want to copy it. We want to know that there's many things that we and our competition do that are complementary, not competitive. So if we can combine forces and serve the people that we serve better, all the better for the customers and the world. So love to know your experience with this particular expression, to cozy up to someone. Mostly I like to cozy up to a warm, cozy blanket and a good book. I think my friend Avril would agree with me on that. But for a lot of things, we want to understand what things mean, and we need to know what they mean to us, but we also need to be open to what they mean to other people, because understanding people means that we can build relationships and grow our business faster and stronger. Because none of us does it alone. None of us build our business in a vacuum. We need customers first and foremost, and other people. And then we need to, if we want to really supersize and grow, we have to build systems and processes, and people run those systems and processes with us to grow and build our business. Have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting winter, cold weather, end of year, Christmas related idiom for the month of December. If there are any idioms that you can think of that you would love to know the origin of, share in the comments below. Otherwise, I will just keep randomly picking them and sharing them. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.